Hi students, in this video, I'll be talking to you about Lab 2, the color tiles activity, and get you started on it. So first of all, I'll share my screen so I can show you where the lab is. You'll go into Blackboard, your Math 90, Blackboard, and you'll scroll down to Module 2, Lab 2, Color Tiles Lab. You'll be investigating fractions with this activity. You can use online color tiles, or I'll show you a way you can just draw it out. If you click on the lab, this is where you get the handout. And if you want to use the online color tiles, they are here. So here we have the handout, and it says find a collection of color tiles to fit each description below. The symbol question over question means the mystery amount. So we need to find a collection that's 3/8 red, 1/4 blue, and some greens. So it completes the collection of 8 tiles. And you look at your largest denominator to see how many tiles you could make in a potential collection. It's not the only answer there is. You could scale it up and double that denominator if you wanted to. There's other ways that you could get the collections, but for the minimal collection, use the denominator that you're given, the larger denominator. So here we have a collection that has to be 3/8 red. So we could write out 3 reds, R, R, R. And then how many blues? We want to convert our 1/4 into 8ths. So we'll multiply this times 2/2, which gives us 2 times 1 is 2, so 2/8 blue. So we'll put down 2 blues. And then we need to figure out how many of the 8ths need to be green. So if we put in 3 more tiles, we would have the 8 that we need. So if we make 3 of the 8 green, we would complete our collection of 8 tiles. So the answer here would be 3/8 green. Okay, I'll also work number 8. Here we need to have a collection that's a 4th green, a 3rd yellow, a 6th red, and some blues. So I'm looking for the least common multiple between 4, 3, and 6. And if I just use the 6, that wouldn't work because 4 is not a factor of 6. So our least common multiple between 4, 3, and 6 would be 12, because if we skip counted by 3s, we'd have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. Skip count by 4s, you have 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. Skip count by 6s, you have 6, 12, 18, and so on. The lowest multiple they all had in common was 12. So we'll put all of these in terms of 12ths now. So a 4th times 3/3 would be 3/12ths green. And then multiplying a 3rd times 4/4 again gets us to a denominator of 12. That would be 4/12ths yellow. And taking a 6th times 2/2 gets us 12 in the denominator. So we have 2/12ths red. So if we drew this out, 3 of the 12 green and 4 of the 12 yellow. Two of the 12 red. And then we can see we would need 3 more to complete our collection of 12. So we would need 3 of the 12 blue. So our answer would be 3/12ths. Okay, now I'll show you where you can see some additional videos and the answer key with using color tiles. So if you go into mapsfoundation.com mapsfoundation.com, and choose the fractions dash decimals dash percents underneath coordinator's corner. We'll scroll down to session 2. There's 3 10-minute videos here on using color tiles, just to get you going on thinking about fractions with color tiles. And then the answer key for the handout is under answer key right here. You just click on that. And when you get into the answer key, you can scroll down to session 2. The black line master 12 is what you're working on. And here is the answer key. So you can see the 3/12 that we just came up with for the answer, which simplifies to 1/4. Okay, so that will hopefully get you going on your lab 2 for this week in Math 90. I hope you have a great time with it. Let me know if you need any help.